Време на пандемия. Време за избор. От ръба на оцеляването до световните постижения. София на пътя на иновациите. Време е за среща на върха.
Hello everyone, today I'm with a great professional in manufacturing in various sectors. We are here with the plant manager of Schneider Electric, MariaTopchiyska. Schneider Electric is a world leader in adopting and manufacturing innovations. Please share with us what improvements you undertook in 2019.
In 2019, we started the journey of the Smart Factory Roadmap in Schneider Electric Plovdiv, and this journey starts with the deploying of the different EcoStructure solutions which are offered by Schneider. We start to connect our products. We deploy the edge control, and we go further to the application and analytic solutions. Then we moved and we shifted the direction not only from deploying of IoT and different type of advisors, but we moved to deploying of cobots, AGV, and other type of automations which support this transformation and which support the efficiency of the plant.
Where is the place of the employees after connecting your devices, sensors and machines? Have you lost any employees after becoming Smart Factory?
So the center of the Smart Factory is always the customer experience, but the pillars of the Smart Factory are the people, the products and the processes. The people, the skills of the people are quite important to be increased, and some of them change completely. For the people of Schneider, these changes are not something new. They are used to have constant changes in the journey of the continuous improvement. So what changes for them is they become more agile. They become more flexible. They adopt all the solutions, starting from the administrative departments and engineering departments, going through the entire shop floor. On the question, did we lose someone? The answer is no, even we hired people in the last year. Linked with the situation with the COVID, in Plovdiv we didn't change nothing. We even higher in the last Q of 2020. So what is changing is actually the interaction and the environment. The environment starts to be more sustainable, starts to be more ecological friendly, it starts to be more digital, and the interaction between the human and the machine is the main focus for us and the main transformation which is happening currently in the plant.
By connecting the physical and digital world, smart factories can monitor the manufacturing process. You use Augmented Operator Advisor. Please share with us about this innovation and how does it work?
So basically the vision of and the mission of Schneider Electric is to provide efficiency, mainly energy efficiency, of course, and to do this transformation and to provide to our customer this transformation, digital and automation transformation. In the road of that, everything is done because of the customer, because at the end of the beginning and the end is the customer experience. What we would aiming through our digital transformation is to provide the full the full transparency of the end-to-end supply chain. The different type of advisors which we have, and we have machine advisors and we have Augmented Operator Advisors, which you mentioned now, are helping us to have this customer experience, to have more customers experience, to interact more to have a more interaction between the human and the machine, and to again accelerate the process of efficiency and the process of gathering information and speeding the decisions. The Augmented Operator Advisor is one solution provided by Schneider, which is mainly concentrated in helping the maintenance department team. In our case, this is a benefit between 7 and 10% is the benefit efficiency which we improve by deploying that solution, which is helping the maintenance again to have quick access to the data, eliminating the paper, and in the world where we are speaking about carbon emission reduction and etc. and sustainable environment, this is something which needs to be acknowledged for sure, that the reduction of the paper and the documentation is on place, and is as well providing, not say efficiency, but yeah, of course at the end, finally it's efficiency.
What will the smart factory looks in future?
How the smart factory looks in the future, it will be more, even more digitalized, autonomous. It will be more, there will be more automation, there will be for sure a big place for the IoT, and there will be a big place for cobot implementation and more interaction between the human and the machines, and in this case the cobots. The factory of the future, when you speak about the smart factory of the future, we will have more analytics for sure. We will have more application which will analyze and help us to meet the right decisions. The smart factory of the future will be what we are offering in our EcoStructure, actually, solutions, more connected products, more application which are analyzing all those products, and in the factory of the future, the human being will change the qualities somehow. It will be shift from this sometimes reactive mode in which we are standing to more predictive and prescriptive modes, which we will observe in the next coming years.
Thank you.